Hi guys, it's Dr. Yazdan. I don't know about you, but I'm always on the go and I'm always hungry. So I've put together my list of my 7 favorite snacks to take on the go. They're so simple and easy to make. And if you're anything like me, when you get hungry, you get tired, you have low energy, and you get a lot of headaches. That's not really fun. So let's go over my 7 favorite snacks and hopefully they help you as much as they help me. So my first favorite thing to snack on is gonna be steel cut oats. I like these and I like to choose how I sweeten it. I get them plain and then I like to add a little bit of fruit and cinnamon. It makes it a little bit sweeter and it tastes really good and it's really simple. My second favorite one is homemade trail mix. So I like to pack some almonds and sometimes I'll add some cashews or maybe some pistachios or something. And if I feel like I want a little sweetness added to it, then I get a little bit of these cacao nibs and I add it to my mix and I have a homemade trail mix. My third favorite on-the-go snack is fresh veggies. So they don't have to be boring. If you make a mixture, it's a lot more fun. You can even add cherry tomatoes. Here I have broccoli, some cauliflower, some carrots, and some celery. And if this is still too boring for you, then maybe add something like a hummus stick. My fourth favorite snack on the go is an avocado. Super easy to pack. It's loaded with healthy fats, which will give you a lot of energy. And if you want, you can even use it as a dip for your fresh vegetables. My fifth favorite on-the-go snack is almond butter. I love almond butter, it tastes great, and it's full of healthy fat, and it's full of protein, so it'll keep you full, it'll give you energy, and it tastes really good. The only thing is, it's a little bit high in calories, so watch how much you eat. But another good note is that if you want, you can also use this as a dip for your healthy vegetables. In addition to that, sometimes I have just a spoon of it and I'm good to go, or I'll put a little bit on some whole wheat toast. My sixth favorite healthy snack on the go is fresh fruit. You can have anything like strawberries or grapes. I like to have an apple. I usually cut it up so I don't break my teeth on it, but you can have an apple. I know that apples have sugar, but it's also loaded with nutrients that are great for your body. So my 7th snack that's on the go that I love is Killshift. You can buy them at any store or you can even make them yourself in an oven, but they look like this and they're actually really good. They're a little bit crunchy, so it's nice, and loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, which are all great for your teeth. So there you have it. Those are my 7 favorite on-the-go snacks that I take with me whenever I'm going somewhere on my busy days, and I hope you enjoy them. If you do, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Dr. Yazdan for more tips. It's at Dr. Yazdan.